Hello everybody, my name is Zeno, and we're gonna get back into another tutorial. So, have you ever wanted to add, I don't know, cosmetics, possibly add things to where you can ban people? Well, the easiest way of doing that is using PlayFab.
Nice.
PlayFab is what a lot of people use. Not everybody uses it, but it's a good option for starters or even people that don't really quite know what they're doing quite yet. It's pretty simple, pretty easy to set up, and it's not too difficult. So, yeah, let's get right into that. So first thing what you're going to do is you're going to open your project. Make sure you have it open and all ready to go. Then you're going to go to the first link in the description. It's going to be a GitHub. Alright, so first thing you'll see is you'll see a Unity SDK version 2.230. That is at least the version that that is currently the latest as of right now. Now, if you're watching this in a later time, then there might be another version that might be newer or anything of that sort. This one came out January 26th. So what you're going to do is you're going to head over, you're going to download the source code zip. Once installed, you're going to head over to your files, going to right click here, and you're going to do extract all. And then you will simply just extract it. Once the file has extracted, you're going to open this Unity SDK. I don't know why they have it set up like that, but you know, it's whatever. Then you're going to go to packages, and the first thing you're going to do is you're going to see a bunch of Unity packages and a README file. Now, I'm sure the README file probably explains what to do with this stuff, but I'm just going to tell you anyway, because obviously it's my tutorial, and I'm going to tell you, because, yeah. So you're going to select the Unity SDK. You can either just double click it, or you can just drag it manually into your project. Make sure, again, if this little all button is not grayed out, then you'll click it to make it grayed out. And if there's a little issue, I don't know why there would be, but there might be, or whatever, just ask someone, it should be fine. Just click import. Then you will let it download. Once installed, you should see the PlayFab SDK right here. You're going to go back to that file, and you should see PlayFab Editor extension. You're also going to drag that and import it as well. Alright, once installed, you can click a Windows. You're going to go to PlayFab Editor extension, and you will open this. Now, you might be a little confused. You might be like, okay, well, this looks a lot different from, you know, older tutorials. But it's really not that much different, and it's actually a lot simpler, like a lot simpler. So you're going to go to settings, and you'll see title ID, and that's where the second link in the description pops in. It should bring you to a developer.playfab.com. You're going to log in if need be, and you can create a new studio. I'm not going to because I have this studio that I haven't used yet. And you're going to click the three dots, you're going to click new title, and you can name it to, I'm just going to name it test. You can add a little game logo if you want to. You can add a website URL. I don't know why you would want to do those two, because it's just a little, like, I don't know. You can, though. And then you're just going to do create title. Once it's created, if it hasn't brought you into it yet, you can just click here. And it might bring something up like that says like continue or anything of that sort. Just go ahead and click continue. And now what you're going to do is, because with the newer version of PlayFab's developer thing, because of Microsoft, you know, taking over and, you know, taking support of it, you have to go to settings, go to API features, you're going to scroll down, and you'll see disable player creations. Now, for whatever reason, I don't know why they did this, but they're all going to be disabled, or on. You're just going to turn them all off. And another thing you could do, that I recommend doing, is going to enable API features, and just doing allow client to add virtual currency and allow client to subtract virtual currency. And you can also turn on allow client to view band reason. Just do research into what all these do. I usually just use these 3 here. Those are the only 2 that I really, or the only 3 I really use. And you're just gonna click save. You could go back up to, you could go to players, and up top here, you're going to go to the URL, and you're going to select these little numbers here. You're going to copy that, go back to your game, and you're going to do title ID, and you're gonna just paste that in there. Now, if you go back to SDK, you'll see there's no little like orange text or anything of that sort. It should say you have the latest SDK. Sorry if I sound a little weird. I'm not sure what's going on with my voice currently. I think I'm getting sick or I'm losing my voice. But other than that, I mean, you go back to hierarchy. And now, as you know, down in my description, there should be my Discord. Highly recommend if you want to join that. Highly recommend joining it if you want to have a cool community to hang out with, or to get scripts and talk to other fellow individuals, or just to be there. Honestly, it's a pretty cool place to be. I'm not gonna lie. Every member counts. So if you have a friend, or if you have anybody that knows that you know likes playing video games or like making video games, and think, you know, that Discord would be a cool place for him to hang out, please send it, because every member counts. Anyway, inside of my Discord, there should be a little channel that has a bunch of little, like, assets, or whatever you really want to call it. It's down in my description, it's down in the Discord, and it's going to be called CFP PlayFab. You're going to select that little channel, and you're going to download the scripts. Right-click, import new asset, you're going to do PlayFab login, and that's all you need. Now, what this actual script does is it actually loads the client. It actually makes PlayFab load correctly. And now, if you notice, if you click play to launch the game, and you open up the developer portal, you'll see it still says 0 total players. Now, if you click search, you'll notice that you have a little fella. And now this right here is your title ID. And if you want me to make a little tutorial on how to add a full working username system with a keyboard and all that and whatever, then just you know, get this video to like, I don't know, 10 likes maybe, 20? If we can get there, that'd be nice. But if we can get to 10 likes, then I'll make a tutorial on how to, like, you know, add default usernames and all of that. You know, it'll be an all-in-one thing, and it'll all work, and it'll all be nice. And I'll make it into a little package that you guys can download and import, and I'll teach you guys how to set it up. And yeah, that's really about it. It'll also, when you click enter, it'll also change in here to what you entered on the keyboard inside of your game, so it's easier to find people. To add banning, like correct banning, with this system, you're going to select your this right here if you have it like that, or if you don't have it like that, you'll select all of these. If you have to select more than one, if you didn't do this, you'll click the lock button here so you can select them. I'm just gonna select all 4 of them. Realistically, all I have to do is select the top one, but it's whatever. It's just to show you. And you'll put that underneath the stuff to disable. Which, to ban someone, there's a bunch of people that I'm sure will help you, but I'm not going to because it will show something personal of mine. So I do apologize of that. And yeah, that's about it. And I hope everybody has a good day, and see ya.